Among all the fruits, apple holds a special place for its taste, crunchiness, and naturally sweet flavor. From yummy apple pies to juice, apples are the most common fruit. Although apples are the symbol of the first sin, they are generally very beneficial for our body. As the saying goes, an apple a day keeps the doctor away. In this video, we are going to tell you what will happen to your body if you eat 2 apples every day. But before we move forward, subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, press the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos, and get all the notifications. A medium-sized apple has 95 calories, 25 grams carbs, 4 grams fiber, and minerals like vitamin A, B1, B2, C, E, K, copper, potassium, and magnesium. Doctors recommend taking 2 cups of fruit in a 2,000-calorie diet daily. An average apple makes 1.5 cups of fruit. Apple is also an antioxidant fruit, is a rich source of polyphenols. Polyphenols are beneficial for human health, and therefore daily intake of 2 apples can do wonders. Number 6. Lowers blood cholesterol. Apples have lower levels of cholesterol, including bad LDL cholesterol or triglycerides. Moreover, the fiber in apples helps to lower the cholesterol levels of the human body. Apples are proved to be equally effective like cholesterol-lowering drugs, statins. Apples are also antioxidants, so they reduce the body's inflammation and cholesterol levels, lowering chances for many diseases. Number 5. Helps in weight loss. Remember the time when Chris Bale dropped 60 pounds for his upcoming psychological thriller, The Machinist? Bale told in the interviews that he would eat apples and water only for several months to make it possible. Now, we are not saying you should follow this unhealthy diet and wreck your body, but letting you know that apples can help in weight loss while acting as healthy snacks for hours. So make sure to eat 2 apples when you are bored watching Netflix instead of unhealthy snacks. A study also proves that 50 overweight women ate apples for 10 weeks, losing an average of 2 pounds, the perfect way. They also lowered their intakes of calories because apples are more fulfilling in fiber and volume. Number 4. Reduces risk of heart diseases. Apples include a rich source of polyphenols, an antioxidant which is linked to reducing the risk of heart diseases. Polyphenols have flavonoids in them, which lowers blood pressure and also reduces inflammation in the body. So the risk of heart diseases due to high blood pressure and clogged arteries can be significantly reduced. Flavonoids are also considered to lower the 20% risk of stroke. Moreover, the fiber in apples lowers the body's cholesterol levels, further lowering heart diseases. Number 3. Promotes digestion and gut bacteria. Apples are prebiotic that help in promoting good gut bacteria. The fibers named pectin and polyphenols mitigate the cholesterol in the body while helping in digestion. The fibers are absorbed in the colon, where the prebiotic, good bacteria, allows digestion of food. This protective effect of apples is another reason for lowering the risk of diabetes, obesity, and heart diseases. Number 2. Helps with mental health. Apples also help with age-related mental diseases. Our brain needs acetylcholine, which is a neurotransmitter that declines with age. Lower levels of acetylcholine are connected with Alzheimer's disease. Apples, especially their peel, contains acetylcholine, which help in reducing harmful brain tissue and mental decline. Apple juice also proved to be equally effective in animal studies, but it's always better to eat your whole fruit. Number 1. Lowers risk of diabetes and cancer. The risk of type 2 diabetes can be lowered with the help of intaking 2 apples daily. The beta cells of our pancreas make the natural insulin of the body. However, due to type 2 diabetes, the beta cells are damaged. The polyphenols in apples help in preventing tissue damage to the beta cells, lowering the risk of diabetes up to 28%. Similarly, the antioxidant properties of apples can prevent the chances of cancer. Polyphenols and vitamin C act as antioxidants in preventing cancer. They support the immune system and fight cancerous cell growth. Moreover, apples also help in cancer recovery and inflammation in the body. That's a wrap of today's video. Is apple already part of your daily diet? What benefits have you observed? Let us know in the comments below. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more amazing videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.